How to play or log in multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can log in or play with multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Brawl Stars app and then click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. And now you have to go to this settings option, or you can directly choose the Supercell ID option. And here you can see it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to click and then you have to scroll down. And here you can see you have these two options, switch account and log out. Switch account and log out. You simply have to click switch account and then you have to log in into your Supercell ID. Just make sure you have as many Supercell IDs on the accounts that you want to log in with, and then you have to just enter the Supercell ID by clicking over here and click continue. And now enter the email over here. And then you can add as many Supercell IDs with the same account, and then you can just keep switching and using it with multiple accounts. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.